Utah Highway Patrol said at least 682 crashes have been reported from Sunday to Tuesday so far. A crash total includes accidents in Salt Lake, Utah, Davis and Weber counties. UHP said 4 trooper cars and 1 UDOT vehicle were involved in crashes. This video shows cars hitting a UHP vehicle not once but twice. The incident began when a car crashed into a UHP sergeant Schrader's vehicle on State Route 89 at the southbound ramp to I-15. Utah Highway Patrol car hit twice. UHP he stayed inside the SUV and UHP Sergeant Powell came to help set up traffic control. You can see Sergeant Powell run out of the way and then a second car slides right into the two vehicles. No one was seriously injured. Troopers said, "We want to remind drivers to please slow down, increase your following distance and move over for emergency vehicles 40.5226220 to 111.891291.